Hey everybody, so as we're putting together our completion report, one of the things you got to do, of course, is write the results section, the results of your primary research. And I wanted to point out that the sample completion reports that we have here, I think you can do better than what these have done. All of these have some positive things, but I think there's some principles which I'd like to see maybe done even better. But as in the results section of these reports, here's the one in the local theater attendance. You want to include some graphs or charts to explain what it is you found, and that kind of thing. This is the one on concussions. So you can see in the results section, it talks about the data and it presents a chart. So I created this little worksheet here for us to mess with it if you want to. It's called just presenting data. I got some numbers from the college's operation revenues site. It says how much money the college takes in every year. It's also how much it spends, by the way. This is what the state gives. This is what the tuition and fees account for. This is local funds and the foundations, how much money they give each year. And imagine you had this data and you wanted to present it. It says right here, if you wanted to present it to the student council to explain how the cost of attending college is increasing. And so you've got this data from 2014-15, 2012-13. How would you present it so that you could present it in a paragraph, which clearly explains what it is you want to say, and then shows it graphically? So I'm asking you just to mess with that if you want to answer this question right there, and see if you can put together a little paragraph with some charts and graphs to really bring this data to get into focus for a reader. Because as you know, numbers don't mean anything until you tell us what it does mean. So just by looking at this, I really don't know what I'm supposed to see here. But if you're able to take this stuff and say, look, compare this as a percentage of total versus that as a percentage of total, what does that mean? Well, then you can present it in a way and explain what it means persuasively, we hope. So I had my class face-to-face do that today, and I wrote my sample. I clicked it right there, and this is what I ended up doing. And I did this really quickly. I wrote a paragraph which looks at the data and presents what it is I want to say, and created a couple of quick charts, bar graphs to graphically display that information. So it's just an exercise, but it's something kind of fun to do. If you want to try it, take 15, 20 minutes, maybe a half an hour to mess around with this stuff, see what you come up with, email it to me, send it as a Canvas message. I'll take a look, give you some feedback on the way back. Okay, good luck.